gonna have flu vaccine today and COVID vaccine para hindi na ako mag-worry and para hindi na rin ako babalik dito sa Smith kasi pinag-isa ko na kasi babalik na uli ako sa work ko, so I need to get this today kasi pag bumalik na ako sa work magiging busy na uli ako. Alam niyo ba na napaka-importante ang magkaroon ng flu vaccine and COVID vaccine kasi makakatulong yon para maprotektahan yung ating immune system at para hindi tayo magkasakit at magkaroon ng COVID. Malaking tulong po yun para sa atin. So, sa mga hindi po naniniwala sa mga vaccine, maniwala na po kayo dahil before I got COVID, pero dahil meron na akong vaccine, meron na akong COVID vaccine, hindi po talaga ako nagkasakit at talaga po malakas yung immune system ko. Kung wala akong vaccine or COVID vaccine, pwede akong ma-hospital. Kaya din sa natatakot sa mga sa injection, huwag po kayong matakot. Mas matakot po kayo kapag kayo ay na-hospital. Ganon. So, mga yayamanin, mamaya na po tayo magbablog uli. I thought the other guys, the one who will do the vaccine.
Are you getting the flu and COVID today?
Yes.
One?
Yes.
Yeah. I will have you sit right here.
Okay. Ito na. Medyo kinakabahan ako mga mahal. Kinakabahan. Hindi naman masakit. Siya yung magpapaksin. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
She's so young. You're so young.
Thank you.
Hindi naman, it's not hurt. That is flu vaccine or COVID?
That was COVID.
COVID, yeah. And the other one side is for the flu vaccine, right?
Do you want to do it on the same arm or on the other side?
No, on the other side.
Okay, let's turn the chair.
What do you think?
It doesn't matter. It's gonna, you're not, it's
I
not
think it's
gonna
better
hurt.
here.
You can get it on both arms,
So
so
I
only
think-
one arm is sore.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I think that's a good idea. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, a lot of people get it in the same arm.
In the same arms. Okay, that's good. I think that is better, right? So I can use the other arm for using anything to do what I want to do. It's not hurt. Later on, it's gonna be sore.
Yeah, you can just rub it and take some Tylenol on. You
And
should
then I'm
be great.
gonna take Tylenol, right?
All right, you're good to
That's
go.
that?
Yes.
Oh, that's so quick. Thank you so much.
Of course, you have.
I'm done with my flu vaccine and COVID vaccine. Naghihintay si husband sa car. Alam niyo naman, mainipin ang mga puti. Mainipin sila talaga. Kaya dapat mag-drive na tayo mga yayamanin. So, yun lang naman din ang sadya ko. Actually, hindi talaga ako magpapa-flu vaccine ngayon. Pero, mas maganda na gawin na today kasi papasok na nga ako sa work at kailangan ay kumpleto na tayo sa vaccine. Okay mga yayamin, bye-bye. God bless you all.